Atlantex Pyrotex products shield against extreme heat, direct flame, and molten metal splash. Knitted or braided fiberglass insulating substrate are coated in a robust yet flexible custom compounded silicone polymer. The Pyrotex line is capable of withstanding temperatures from -65 degrees to 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit and is self-extinguishing. Available as a tubular sleeve, high-density rope, narrow tape, and wide fabric, there is a Pyrotex solution for any application. Minimize downtime and maximize installation efficiency with convenient closure options, expertly implemented by the Atlantex Fabrication Department. Value-added services, including custom printing, non-standard packaging, and product finishing, help you get the most out of your Pyrotex solutions. Atlantex maintains a large inventory of Pyrotex products strategically located around the globe, allowing for fast turnaround and same-day shipments. Critical industrial, automotive, and OEM applications require the best protection available. When the heat is on, insist on Atlantex.